Hello, everybody. So, how was your experience of the makeup session? क्या वही लोग हैं अभी जिन्होंने ट्रायल ऑन देखा? Anybody from the same session? So the next session is going to be even more interesting. It's going to be a combination of skin knowledge and the treatments that you can use to treat different kind of symptoms. जैसे अलग-अलग टाइप के स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स जो हमारे पास होते हैं, पिगमेंटेशन, टैनिंग, ब्लेमिशेस या एक्ने, इनको ट्रीट करने के लिए एक ही ट्रीटमेंट करो, मे बी इफेक्टिव, मे बी नॉट. So, but what is the right way of doing it if you combine treatments? 2-3 treatments को कैसे combine कर सकते हैं कि आपका skin का problem सारा solve हो जाए? तो हमारा next session is going to be about this. Annalouise? So our guest is Annalouise. She has 20 years experience in this industry. She has won 9 academies in the UK. And she has now opened her academy in Bandra called Skin Philosophy. So here you can see how the demo goes and you can get in touch with her. And if you want to learn something, you can go to the academy, which is in Bandra, called Skin Philosophy. Please give a big round of applause and welcome Annalouise. थोड़ा जोर से तालियां. Thank you so much.
Hi. Okay. Hi, I'm Annalouise, and I have come the whole way from London to what I want to do is show you more about advanced skin treatments, using your treatments that you have in your salon and clinic, layering them into one treatment to get a really good results. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate the types of treatments that I do in my clinics in London, that I teach in my academies, and show you that now here. Yeah.
So Annalouise बोल रही हैं कि वो जितने भी सैलॉन्स और क्लिनिक्स में ट्रीटमेंट होते हैं उसका एक ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन अभी हम सबके साथ यहाँ शेयर करेंगी, जो वो खुद अपने लंदन के अकेडमीज और ट्रेनिंग सेशंस और अपने खुद के क्लिनिक में यूज करती हैं. If you guys have any doubts during the sessions, please feel free to raise your hands and we'll have the mic passed on for all of you.
So what I'm going to use is 3 different treatments in one treatment. We have lower, higher? Yeah. So we want to use 3 different treatments. EMS is muscle stimulation to lift and tighten. I'm going to use a lactic peel and I'm going to use LED. And I'm going to combine these 3 treatments together to show you how to get really good results. But like, you don't have to worry about the skin will just be glowing afterwards. So we always start off our treatments with a cleanse. So I'm using a glycolic cleanser. Have you heard glycolic? Is it?
सबसे पहले हम ग्लाइकोलिक क्लेंजर यूज करेंगे. क्या आप सब में से किसी ने भी ग्लाइकोलिक क्लेंजर के बारे में सुना है पहले? हाँ, आप बताएंगे सबको कि ग्लाइकोलिक क्लेंजर क्या होता है?
It's a kind of a peel.
Huh? It's a kind of a peel, except for it is at a lower percentage. It's an acid that comes from fruit and it exfoliates your skin and cleans out your skin. So if you want to have a cleanser that helps with your pigmentation, then a glycolic cleanser is a really good one to have. So a cleanser with glycolic in it. Okay. So when we are doing treatments on the skin, when we're layering them, we want to work at different levels. So first, I'm going to work on muscles. This lifts and exercises muscles.
हम जो अब कर रहे हैं वो हमारे प्रोसेस में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है, क्योंकि वो आपके मसल्स को लिफ्ट करने में हेल्प करेगा.
What I'm using is aloe vera. Aloe vera is so good for the skin, very hydrating.
हम हमारे प्रोसेस में एलोवेरा यूज कर रहे हैं अभी, जो स्किन के लिए काफी अच्छा होता है.
Okay, from here, it comes electricity. So the electricity makes your muscles exercise. So it twitches your muscle. So when it exercises, it lifts and tightens.
And what is this machine called?
So this one is specifically called iTouch, but other people would know as EMS. So what I'm going to do is we want to lift on the muscles, work on the muscles. So I'm going to work along the jawline. And as I'm moving, you okay? Do you want me lower it?
आप सबको properly दिख रहा है treatment?
It's very, feel okay? So this is, you can feel your muscles move as you do it. It's quite strong. But then you see like one side is lifted.
आप जब ये एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, आप बहुत स्ट्रांगली ये फील कर पाएंगे कि आप जब ये रेडिएशन दे रहे हैं अपने मसल्स को, तो मसल्स जो वे में मूव कर रहे हैं आपको काफी रिलैक्सिंग फील देगा.
There you see the muscle move around the eye. If you see around here, can you see the muscle moving? This is like exercising to open up your eye, lift it and make it wider. Has anyone had muscle EMS treatment?
क्या यहाँ पे किसी ने भी पहले मसल ट्रीटमेंट करवाया है फेस पे?
This is 30 years old, this type of technology. And it's really good to feed your skin, because when you exercise, blood flows. And when blood flows, it feeds your skin.
So ये काफी पुरानी टेक्निक है जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं. इससे आपके फेस का ब्लड फ्लो काफी अच्छा होगा, जिससे आपको बहुत बेटर फील होगा.
So in a treatment, you would do this for like 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
ये आपके पूरे ट्रीटमेंट का कम से कम 15 से 20 मिनट का पार्ट होता है, जहाँ पे हम आपके फेस मसल्स को काफी रिलैक्सिंग फील करवाने की पूरी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. ये जो मसल They want to know the price.
For this, it's for this machine, it is 20,000.
ये machine 20,000 की है.
But this is for salon use. This is for when you work in a salon and then your client comes in to add it as another treatment onto your treatments. So the next thing I'm going to do is a lactic peel. So peel, it sounds scary, but it's very, very nice. It comes from milk and it just like softly exfoliates, but also really hydrates. So lactic is an amazing asset.
Next step is lactic serum.
Huh?
Lactic peel.
Lactic peel, yeah.
Lactic peel
Comes
is the
from milk.
next step, जो milk से बनता है. पील जितना सुनने में डिफिकल्ट लगता है, ये उतना एक्चुअल में डिफिकल्ट नहीं है करने के लिए.
Does it feel okay? Can you feel anything? No. It's very, very gentle. Okay, and this basically sits for a few minutes. And then this is going to clean out our pores, help with pigmentation, hydrate our skin. And then afterwards, we use the LED. Huh? Why do I?
I'll just.
Oh, so sometimes if she feels like itchy, this helps the itchiness. You know, sometimes when it's exfoliating, you get a little, if you do this, it takes it away. Okay, so now the LED. So LED is light. So it's different colors of light. This one is yellow for pigmentation. This one is blue for bacteria, for breakouts, for acne. And then the red, which is the one we do at the start. This one is for anti-aging, collagen, rejuvenation, brightening effect on the skin. So also we have these eyes. This area gets warm. So this warmth helps with dark circles under the eyes. So it like drains. This is vibrating right now and it gets warm. So this helps treat the eye area. So we're going to put it on. Does it feel okay?
हमारे इस प्रोसेस का नेक्स्ट स्टेप है LED लाइट. इसमें मिनिमम 5 to 6 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लाइट्स है जिसके डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स है जो मैं वापस रिपीट करूँगी. ये आपके फेस को वार्म फील करवाएगा ताकि जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, अगर डार्क आइज है, व्रिंकल्स है, तो उससे कैसे कोप करना है. तो एवरी लाइट विल कम विद उसके सेट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन. Annalouise will go through the lights again.
Yeah. So the red light stimulates collagen, anti-aging.
Red light anti-aging के लिए help करेगा.
Yellow light for pigmentation.
Yellow light pigmentation के लिए help करेगा.
And blue light is acne, bacteria.
Blue light acne और bacteria के लिए help करेगा.
So this then we leave on for 10 minutes and then we do like just a moisturizer with it. This treatment, when you do it in full, will probably take 30 minutes. But it's more advanced than your normal facial. So you can charge higher in your salon because of the technologies.
So ये LED treatment के लिए हम another 10 minutes हमें लगता है. अगर आप ये पूरा प्रोसेस देखेंगे तो ये about 30 to 35 minutes में ख़त्म हो जाता है. जो हम हमारे नॉर्मल फेशियल्स सैलून में करते हैं, ये उससे काफ़ी हाई एंड फेशियल ट्रीटमेंट है, तो आप अपने कस्टमर्स को ज़्यादा चार्ज भी कर सकते हैं।
कितने दिनों में करना चाहिए स्किन के हिसाब से?
Her question is, how many days gap can they have before they perform another treatment? And how much does it depend on the skin?
For these treatments, the skin, because these aren't as strong as we think they're, like, these are gentle treatments. So the skin, you don't have to worry unless there's like skin disease. Apart from that, you can do acne, pigmentation, aging, all skins. It's all good. The other thing you asked was,
Do you recommend any particular gaps between?
oh yeah. So for anything more advanced, it minimum needs to be 2 weeks, minimum, because it's stronger.
Any more questions, anyone? सब लोग काफी शांत बैठे हैं, थोड़ा चीयर कर देते हैं। Come on guys, one clap.
You okay, so then I just apply SPF and finish. Sun factor is very important. So you need to apply this to stop pigmentation. If you don't want pigmentation, then you have to use SPF. But look at how fresh her skin is now. And this will last days. This will be like this, all fresh. Cool. SPF. Stop pigmentation. Yeah.
Last but not the least, last process ये step का SPF है, जो हमें हमेशा सन से प्रोटेक्ट करने में काफी हेल्प करता है। आपके पास क्वेश्चन है?
ये कराने के बाद प्रिकॉशंस क्या लेना चाहिए?
Any precautions you recommend after the treatment is done?
So after something like this, for the rest of the evening, no getting hot or sweaty. You have to because when you have stimulating treatment and then you create heat on the skin, it's not good for the skin. So no exercising, no hot showers, no outside in the sun, avoiding any heat or any sweating.
For how long?
Just for the 24 hours, the day. Any other questions? Cool. Yeah, done. Good. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
You okay?